Hi guys, if you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click the little bell and you'll get all the notifications for my latest videos. How we going guys? I'm back out. I'm out with Eddie and Brian.
Hey
we're
guys.
We're off to the ICI explosives place.
And the midges, look. Is that midges?
Midges are out.
I think that's midges, mate, isn't it?
Yeah, midges are out.
Yeah.
So, we're on that way. We're on our way down there. I've already done, this is how many miles I've done already today. Look.
Stuart, mate, we'll go up there.
I've already done 12 miles today, look. So, we're on our way that way.
You walk that way, there's not any chance I'll just go up the way. And the free healthcare here. George Bush in Kate. It's because you messed up on the expiration date, so we'll do it again. What's the expiration date? All good. Clear. Yeah.
I'm only following because Eddie following me, so it's tit for tat.
We could work the West Island way with packs, man. It would just take, we'd only be able to do 2 stages.
That's us, we've made it in. And just because I heard Eddie saying it, I need to copy, you know. There's the fun fair in the back, you know.
Every time I take a bit of footage, Stuart takes a bit, right?
I need to show. So
right, Brian, get you this.
Yeah.
I was gonna do it, but I don't got enough energy. I was gonna have to.
So I've done like 13 miles today. Can we see that? I reckon I should probably get to like maybe 14 by the end. Another mile maybe. So we're heading in there somewhere.
You have no water left.
I was trying to offer you some, man.
No, I've got plenty. You want
because you're the one that's filming.
You're not gonna have any water for tea.
What's that? Oh. No, I want to do the MacBook Pro so I can do the compression ratios and stuff like that. Hey guys.
So there's Brian, he's got a gimpy leg.
I got a broken toe and I'm still not letting it stop me.
Gimpy leg. And Eddie's just told me he's got his sore foot back again.
My plantar fasciitis, whatever it's called, that sort of thing. I've had it for months and months. I think these are new shoes. 2 broken people still walking.
Yeah, still doing it. Can't beat it. Danger!
Don't forget to get that, Eddie. Because we're going into the minefields.
Danger!
Danger, keep out. It's mine. All landmines in there.
No, it's mines, all mines.
Mines, all landmines in there. So that's where we're going. We're going to climb over the barbed wire fence. Stuart's first. And we're going to go in there and camp.
We're going to see who can run across the landmine first and lose a limb.
Kaboom!
Yeah.
So we're heading in there, guys.
Well, you can, Stuart's the strength of 1,000 men. You can rip the... That's a sewage system. Sewage system.
Yeah, there's water down there, sewage system.
I couldn't see a thing, to be honest. I was too busy with the camera right in.
That's probably where they let up.
We thought we'd found a tunnel there, but it's sewage system.
Oh well. But it goes somewhere
Maybe
else.
it was a tunnel, but it's flooded now, isn't it? So we're heading over there to the trees.
You right?
What was that?
I was like...
How's it going, guys? We're in the woods. We're hiding. We've seen the security guard, so if it's you, John, we have to run. You couldn't catch us. Yeah, Brian, he went face forward. Right, so that's me we're all set up now. I gave Brian my tarp, so I've had to take the big tarp. Right, I've got this huge big 4x4. That's my usual grey tarp that you see me always using when I'm out. And
Did you not get that? No. You should have got that one.
Are you still recording? Yeah, you might have got it.
no, I didn't.
Oh, dude, that's why you never cut the camera off.
I didn't cut it off. But there's Eddie's set up.
I'll be okay in here.
And I'll take you down, I'll show you mine's. I've got this huge 13 by 13 thing. Look, there's mine's. It's pretty big. Yeah. But I'll be fine in mine's. Close the run. This is the kind of tarp that I use for when I do hammock camping. So, I'm going to sleep that way. Got my dinner on, guys. I'm cooking some sausages. Got myself a piece of round sausage as well. And I've already cooked myself 2 pieces of the lawn sausage. And then I'm going to have some potato scone. I've got a piece of black pudding and a piece of fruit pudding. And I've got myself some rolls. I'm just lying under my shelter here, look. You can't beat that, can't you not? Can't beat that.
I've seen that to Stuart, we got a Guinness.
There's Eddie saying he's getting his beer out tonight, and I'm just going to have a rolling sausage.
Guinness. And a Guinness.
No drink for me. Black pudding and sausage.
And it's Stuart's, all Stuart's.
All mines! All mines.
They never offered us.
No. No. Eddie's eating all his and
I've had my wee bit of chicken. I had a big lunch anyway, so you know. But Brian's making something for me and Brian. I'm getting something off of Brian.
Not making me anything. I'm not happy.
I offered you a roll. I'll say I'll make you a roll and bacon tomorrow.
But yeah, I've got the sausages, and I'm going to get the potato scones on as well. So I'm going to crack on with that. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Sleeping under here like this. Look. Hopefully there's no big deer or anything comes running through here.
I'll keep away.
I'm sure they'll smell me.
I'm in the middle.
They'll hit me first.
Aye. No.
Eddie's just said he's never had an avocado, and I said honestly, and he said no, he's never had a potato scone on a roll.
I've had tons of potato scones, but that was the first time.
Never on a roll.
Never on a roll.
But avocado and chicken's lovely. I just said that, and Brian says,
"Oh, you guys that want to cook inside your tent or in your tarp, Transient kit is the clutch. Just don't tip it over and spill it."
Yeah, you enjoying that, Eddie?
Yeah.
Looks like you're wolfing it down there.
You know my big eater.
It's good when you bring your chef with you, isn't it?
Yeah. You know I'm a big eater.
Yeah. Oh, Eddie likes his
I'm
food.
a big eater, mate. Well,
he never shows it on the videos, but he does eat.
no, I'm a big eater when I start, right.
So there we go, guys, we're getting the fire going. I'm using my UCI fireball. Well, when I say I'm getting the fire going, I mean Brian's getting the fire going. But you know what I mean. We're getting the fire going.
Getting chilly.
Yeah,
the sun went down not too long ago.
It's about 3 Celsius. What is that in America, Brian?
You double it and then add 30 on it by what Eddie told me?
Yeah.
There you go. Scott's welfare #1.
So it's like 40,
About 40 something.
round about that. Round about 40. for anybody in America.
This is what happens, you eat porridge every morning.
Porridge is good for you, man.
There's Eddie, look. Can we see him?
Is it the Scottish oats?
Scottish porridge every morning. Look, I'm 95. Look.
That's a nice little seat right there. Found a nice sheet of bark for anyone who likes to play in the woods.
So I'll leave Brian to get the fire going. He's the fire master. That's it, starting to get dark, look. The bogeyman will be coming out soon.
That's the fire started there.
If you were just watching Eddie's video, his video looks very clear and as if it's very light. But this is how dark it is.
This is more realistic. That's probably showing you how dark it is. My camera makes it look.
So if you watched Eddie's video he was showing, I think he was showing Brian, wasn't he? Or he was talking anyway.
You were coming in.
Oh yeah, it was showing me coming in like a Yeti.
And it looks quite daylight, but it's not.
But yeah, I'll put the light off again. So that's how dark it is. It's not dark yet, but we're getting there.
Yeah, it's a little bit longer, it would be pitch black.
Yeah.
So that's next to Stuart's list then, eh? You want a
I don't know.
Full frame Sony.
I don't
Get
know.
a Sony camera, mate.
Yeah.
Get a Sony camera and a fast lens, and that's your night shots. It'll be great.
Nah, because then I can just put my light on like that, can't I?
Ah, you can, yeah. That's true.
I like this camera, but I don't know.
It's a good camera.
We'll see.
Eddie, that log's actually quite comfortable, dude.
Right.
I sat there and as the fire was like 2 cents, like, oh, hey, that one's real. That one's still alive.
Enjoying these Rolos.
Oh, the Rolos were nice. Yeah, I munched mine.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Brian.
You're welcome. Really got to thank my friend because my friend brought them though.
We were going to do some campfire cooking chicken, but
Stu got scared. He didn't want to make South American food.
I didn't. Brian taught me how to. He was going on about getting, what was it? Losing my lower intestine and all that kind of thing. So that kind of put me off having the chicken.
I was saying the E. coli if it gets slit.
So he put me off.
Yeah.
But we'll need to have that one next time we camp, Brian.
Yeah, we will.
What was it you called it again?
Wait, it's like a South American chicken soup.
South American chicken soup.
Onion, carrot, celery, a little bit of rice, a little broth cube, and some coriander, which we call cilantro in the States. And tastes dynamite.
Yeah, we'll need to do that, won't we? But here we go. I'm going to be chilling by that fire tonight. Is my light on? Yeah, no, put that off. There we go. So, I'm going to chill round the fire with Brian.
Hey guys.
Yeah, can you see him?
Might be a little dark.
No.
I'm here.
I forgot to put a link to Brian's channel when I put it before, so I'm sorry, Brian.
Alright, dude.
But
I haven't got done with my first edit, so it's not bad.
I will add Brian's below. I don't know what that's done. Not focusing.
You should play with it right now while you got the chance.
Yeah, then if you want.
You should just pour a little bit, like just the rest of this on it. On the one side. Just as long as it doesn't go that direction. I think that'll be alright. Where's your mouth's pointing this way or which way?
Night guys, I'm off to my bed. Can't really see much, it's darkness, so I'll catch you in the morning. Morning guys, there's the sun coming up. I'm still lying in the tarp. There's my little head torch thing. Yeah, it's like 6 in the morning. I'm still in my sleeping bag. In the bivvy. So yeah, I better get up and I'll show you round about again in the daylight. So there we go, that was my setup for last night. The 4x4 tarp and I forgot my walking pole, so I had to use this. I've got the bivvy. Normally I would have used my 3x3, but I gave Brian a lot of it. But yeah, there's the setup. I'll go and have a look and see if Eddie's awake. He's awake.
I've been awake for about half an hour, 40 minutes. But I heard Brian earlier about 4:30. Did you not hear him shouting? No.
I could hear somebody shouting.
Well, Brian.
I could hear somebody shouting. Somebody was shouting when I went to my bed as well.
Quite comfortable.
Yeah, I quite enjoyed it.
Okay.
Not the best. I still prefer my tent, but see if Brian's awake. Oh, there he is, look. Shouting at 3 in the morning. So there's the fire pit, guys. We dug it out and I've just re-put it back in. You wouldn't even know where we had been, would you? That's us, we're all packed. I think it's like 7 in the morning. 20 past 7. We were awake for 6. We were just sitting about. Look. So here's where we were. No trace.
No trace.
Was you right on that, Eddie?
Yeah.
Where was you?
That was that. There's me there.
Oh, the flat bit, right there.
Me there. That's me.
Brian was up here, and
yeah.
we'll see if we can see where that was, right? The lumpy bit. Yeah, can we see it? No. Look.
You see how
But yeah, I definitely think somebody must come through because there's too many paths in here. There's one goes that way, and there's one that goes all the way through here. Look, you can see it, and it goes right over this big mound. So somebody must come in here. There's been people in here before us, hasn't there? So that's where the fire pit was. So we're on my way for a bit of explore. That's the way we get in, guys. There's the beach. Empty. Look, it's very windy. Woo!